Hi, how are you all, and welcome back to one more installment for VTubers, Discord and Twitch users by me of finding simple and free ways around your limitations by thinking outside the box. In today's video, I will quickly share with you steps I used to make my Discord emojis as well as my Twitch emotes that you can see on my streams and in my server. As you can see up here, I have made a few of these this way using my adorable OC from 2021 with Gacha Club. By the end of this video, you too will be able to do this and will know how this is done, so let's get into it. As you can see here, I'm using the image of the gacha, and I'm going to import that into PixArt, where I remove the background. I download the picture and remove the background so that it is a PNG. Then I will add a couple of special finishing touches that I like to add to my emotes. Once I'm finished decorating it how I want, as I'm doing here, adding brushes, adding words. Then here I name it and I will download it to my phone. Then I upload it to Emoji. And this will be emoji 1112 or whatever you want to name it. And then I test it out in my little secret spot where I test the emotes. And as you can see there, it looks awesome. So we're going to go here and we're going to go to Creator Dashboard, Viewer Rewards, which is what the emotes are. We're going to go to Emotes. And as you can see here, you will basically have this empty and you will click to upload a standard emote. Whichever one you want to upload, you'll just be picking the 800 by 800, which is the largest image. Here's a little frowny one at 635 by 608. You would want to change the size to 800 by 800 pixels. And easy peasy, lemon squeezy, as I like to say. And then you would name it as whatever, and so this would be VFrown, right? And we would name that, and then we would just press upload, and they'll be uploaded to your Twitch. I hope this was helpful and quick for you. If you need any more guidance or assistance, I'm happy to do it. Feel free to join my Discord. And if you made it all the way to minute 3, leave me a comment down below. And know that you're in the completion club. I want to give you guys value and I need to know that you're enjoying this content. So by you leaving me a comment and leaving messages, it will let me know that I can continue delivering value-driven content to you guys and that you're enjoying my content. So go ahead and leave a comment, and if you haven't yet subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified of any live streams that I have or any future videos that I release. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If there was anything that I left out or maybe missed that you would like to see me cover, again, leave it in the comments and let me know. I'm always happy to help and always willing to share whatever information I have to help you guys. And I'm almost always thinking outside of the box because I'm poor. So if you are too and you're looking for ways around getting the things you want without having to pay for them, I'm your girl, so come to me. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.